In today's video, I'm going to share with you my very first purchase that I've ever made with Rickshaw Bagworks from San Francisco, California. Hey everyone, Kat here. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by for this quick video today. For the ones that just discovered my channel, thank you so much for subscribing. We are at the 600 mark and moving towards that 1,000 mark. When I was at the Chicago Pen Show, I stopped by many vendors to see what this Rickshaw bag was all about. Because I've seen them online, I've seen them in people's Instagram feeds, I've seen them on YouTube videos. But once you got to see it in person, I totally understand the draw towards this particular bag. And I purchased a bag that will house 6 pens, and then I got 2 pen sleeves. But before I show you exactly what it looks like, even though you can kind of see what it looks like, this is what they also gave me in the envelope. I can't show you the other thing because it's right across my address, but they did a stamp saying greetings from San Francisco, and I thought that was really cute. Here is a card, and it says the year of the snake, so you know where that's going, right into the journal. And then here are some cute stickers that they also gave me. Log out, ink up, write on, Rickshaw. Writers got right, got ink. And this one, it says Rickshaw, and it matches the color of the bag that I purchased. Now, I was intending to purchase just a pen sleeve, but then I realized, well, why don't I do the pen sleeve that I want, but then a matching bag? And then when I saw people at the show with the pen sleeve of the Chicago flag, if you're not familiar, the city of Chicago has its own flag, and they had pen loops so you can put it on a lanyard and carry around a pen. And I first saw people carrying pens around at the Chicago Stationery Fest. And I guess it is a thing to draw attention to, oh, which pen are you carrying, or what pen do you have? And then you can have a conversation about it. And these are handmade, as in sewn in America, in San Francisco. And they are not made until you order them. I have seen some behind the scenes videos, I think 2 years ago, about this company, and they wait for the order, they print up the material or the fabric that they need, and then they make them. And what's really neat about this also is inside each of the pen cases is this nice fuzzy material to keep your pen all nice and cozy. So I don't know if the camera's going to pick that one up, but let's try this one. Oh, this is so pretty. So it's kind of a matching green. And then for extra $3, I asked them to add the pen loop. So if I want to, I can hook it onto a lanyard and carry a pen around there, my neck. You know what I'm trying to say. Okay, let's get to the main attraction here. This is the, let me read it so I do not, okay, this is the Sinclair Model R Shanghai Performance Denim, and I picked the green, and then I optioned for another $5 a 6 pen slot, and no modification. Like, I didn't ask them to put little C-rings here so I could hook it on to think this would be put in another bag. Now, originally it will come with one side of just enough for 3 pens. But this one booth that I went by, he showed me his personal one, and he had the 6 ones, and then plus he had pens in the center. Now, it's not made to, you know, just shove full of pens, but when I saw that, I'm like, okay, that will be really cool to have. So I'll be able to put 6 pens in there, and then if anything else in here, and it has that nice soft fuzziness. And the reason I got this one instead of the one that folds all the way open is because of it zipping down. He says he liked it because things will not fall out. And so I'm like, well, that's smart. no one wants anything to fall out. And then it has a little pouch here, which is approximately 5 inches deep. So you're able to put things there. And let's just see. Here's a passport size book. So a passport size book fits there perfect in that size of the pouch. So that is it. My first order from Rickshaw. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.